Hi, I'm Mai. All I can say is wow. Here is some of the exciting fun you can have. This is our last day in Saint Augustine, Florida. We're gonna have a fabulous lighthouse tour.
Yes, and we'll see a glorious sunset and the lighthouse at night.
Then we are going to stroll the streets.
And see the beautiful Christmas lights. And they have wonderful restaurants there too. So come join us for the rest of the fun.
Yeah, we will get it done.
Come on, what are you waiting for?
We're here at Saint Augustine Lighthouse.
It is an impressive 160 feet tall and at the oldest port in America. And it's only 219 steps to the top.
Cherry on. Major William Arnold was the first lightkeeper. You can tour his home.
And get to see a little glimpse of his life. Remember the movie Vertigo?
Oh my, that's heavy.
And the keepers carried that several times a night. How many steps?
I'll ride with the horses, I'll swim through the sea, I'll climb to the mountain tops. Won't you come follow me? I'll take time to notice all that I see, and after I've come so far, you know where I'll be. I'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away home. I'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away home. But life is a vision, that's how it should be. The world is a canvas, and the choices are free. At the end of the journey, where all is complete, things last forever. For all that we know, the roads come together, and that's where we'll go. We'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away, oh. We'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away, oh. Ooh, we'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away, oh. We'll fly away, fly away, fly away.
Let's go see the Christmas lights.
We may be the only motorists excited about the drawbridge open.
The bridge in the city is just beautiful at night.
Christmas time in the city. Peekaboo. Oh my, not again.
Just look at the Christmas light. Aren't they beautiful? Finally, we get to go out to eat. come back and do a horse and buggy ride. It looks so romantic. Thanks for watching.
Salamat po.
He said thank you. We made you so many more videos you can see right here. We hope to see you there. You need to subscribe now to see our next adventure. I can't wait to show you. Subscribe now.